Okay, these are household verbs. The first one is nettoyer, to clean. Don't get that one confused with propre, which is the adjective clean. So there's the verb to do the action of cleaning and the description, it is clean. So this is the verb nettoyer. Organiser, ranger, these are ER verbs, so fairly straightforward to conjugate. Ouvrir is to open. That is a really irregular verb conjugation, so I don't expect you to know that one. Fermer, laver, cuisiner, frotter, sortir, irregular IR verb, and you should know how to conjugate that one. Tirer, pousser, arroser. This one has one S between two vowels, which means it's going to say a Z sound. The tendency for English speakers is to use an S, but remember it's Z. Arroser. Balayer, charger, vider, sécher, épousseter. This is the verb for to dust. The word for the object, dust, the stuff that's on your furniture, is poussière. So it has the same stem, but remember one is the object, poussière, one is the verb, épousseter. Plier, ratisser, two S's, so it's an S. Repasser, and make sure you get your first vowel there correct. It's not and anyway, it's repasser. And that's it.